Hey everybody, we're here at the 509 and I wanted to show you this knife that I just picked up, or actually it got mailed to me, but I ordered it from Bark River Knives, a pre-order, and it's for the PSK-EDC in Magna-Cut. I got it with the blue and black sure touch scales and some blue liners, so that way it would hopefully make the handle a little bit thicker. But let's check it out. All right, here it is. Do not put in a dishwasher. Okay, we'll just leave it at that. Anyways, here it is. PSK-EDC and CPM Magna-Cut. Blue and black sure touch scales. This side's got a little more kind of a wood grain effect to it. This one not so much. But I wanted to carry this thing around. That's why I ordered it in sure touch, so that way I can use it whenever, wherever. And here's the liners in there. Let's measure that Let's measure this real quick and see about what the thickness is on this here. Let's see, right there. I'm looking at about 7/16. I don't know what the other ones thicknesses are without the liner, so if you want to drop a comment and let me know what the thickness is on yours, that way I can kind of have an idea, and everybody else can as well. But anyways, let's see how this fits in the hand. Kind of your pinky kind of goes over the edge just a little bit, or you can kind of scrunch up in there a little bit and it'll fit. But a little more control, you can kind of put your pinky on that end of the little corner there. Seems to me like it gives you more control, but it's just the right size. Comfortable, good looking blade shape. Let's see from the other side here as well. You can't really see anything, but anyways, I was going to show you a couple of knives just for size comparison. And got this one here that I carry once in a while. Here's the North Country EDC. This is just for size comparison, so you can see. There's the handle thickness. And let's see here, got another one here. This is a Quartermaster EDC with ghost green jade scales. Would it be considered scales if it's just one piece there, 3 tang? Anyways, ghost jade G10, really cool looking knife. And like I said, this is just for size comparison. These are EDC knives, just for different sizes. Anyways, all right, that's cool. Now, I was going to mention to you real quick that this bead here, I was going to just show it to you real quick. I really like the combination on these scales here. I've got a few of these knives, or I've got a few knives with this design, but I had made some new scales for a Spyderco Mule a while back, and I thought, well, I'm going to make it in this, the jade with the blue liners. And I had some scraps left over, so I thought, what if I tried to make a lanyard bead that resembled the knife itself? So I tried it, gave it a shot, and here it is. What do you guys think? Now this is a prototype. When I made the hole, I made it too small. And so in order to fit the paracord in there, I had to gut it. I had to take the strands out, and in order to fit those the two cords in there. But it still works. It's cool. But I'm going to make some more. I actually did make some more, and I'm going to make another video and post it on here, so stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell notification so you can get notified when the new videos come up. And got some different combinations, some black canvas micarta, some desert ironwood. So check them out. Anyways, back to this video. So there you go. A few EDCs there. PSK-EDC, Quartermaster EDC, North Country EDC. If this video helped you out, it wasn't a real technical video. I just wanted to show you the unboxing and just do a little bit of size comparison just so you can check it out. But stay tuned on our channel here. This is actually a sheet metal shop here. Let me just show you real quick. We do got a sheet metal brake there, got a shear back, a couple of shears back there, and we just do a bunch of stuff. We do time lapses, and sometimes we'll take some videos on job sites and stuff like that. So watch out for new videos. Y'all take care.